Hello and welcome to another informative video. My name is Anne, and if you're new to this channel and if you like this kind of videos, kindly subscribe. In today's video, I want us to look at 10 different side hustles that you can be able to start with zero capital or at a very little cost. These are work online opportunities that you can be able to do from anywhere in the world. My number one recommendation is blogging. Blogging is easy and anyone can be able to do this. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to have very tech knowledge about blogging. All you need to start with is identify a niche. If you have a passion about anything, if it's cooking, you like farming, you like writing about parenting, anything, you can write about anything, and people are making good money with blogging. So with blogging, you only need to identify a niche, get yourself a website, create content, make sure you need to be good at SEO, the search engine optimization, which this information is available online. You can be able to learn by yourself. You can also enroll in a course and get someone to train you, but it's easy. You just need to start writing and then drive traffic. People eventually will start getting attracted to your information, the information that you're giving to them. With the right SEO, your page will start ranking, and through that you'll get many people coming to read your content, and that is where you start to make money. So you can connect your blog to AdSense. Adverts can run through your blog. You can also become an affiliate marketer and leave links inside your blog, and that is how you start to make money. It's not hard, it's easy. People are making money, and all you need to do is passion and patience, because it's not a get rich quick scheme. So you just need to, number one, start with a passion. Don't go into it with a mentality of making money immediately. So write. It can take months even before you start making money, but eventually you will get there. Let's move on. Number two is affiliate marketing and CPA. This is my all-time favorite. This is what I do mainly, and this is how I make money online personally. All you need to do this is get a smartphone or use a laptop. You need internet connection and just apply to become an affiliate. We have different sites like the ones I've listed here, the JVZoo, the Peerfly, Max Bounty, ClickBank. Most of them are free. Those ones that are not free, most of them are free, some of them are not free. You just need to weigh and see which one is okay with you. But basically, you become a marketer. So you market products on behalf of producers or retailers. So you market products and you get a commission, depending now with the offer, is it per lead or per purchase. I'll be making a detailed separate video about affiliate marketing and on how you can start and how you can succeed. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on this video. Number three, writing. Can you write? Yes. Anybody can write. You just need to have some knowledge on different ways of writing, because like Upwork is a professional site, so you get people who are looking for writers, someone to write to do a review on a product. So you just need to do research and do a review about a certain product, or even just write about this. There's a lot that you can write about. So there are different sites that you can be able to write and make money online. Below this video, I'm going to leave a list of the sites that I know that you can be able to start. It's free to start. There are a lot of freelance sites that you can be able to start making money through writing. Again, you just need to be patient. You need to keep practicing. Don't give up. And eventually you start making good money. You can work with some sites like the Fiverr.com. There's a lot that you can be able to do there. You can create logos and sell there at $5 or more. You can do graphics. You can still do writing. You can do data entry jobs. There's a lot that you can be able to do in Fiverr.com. So go ahead and look at that site. Just go to Google and write down Fiverr.com, and you will be able to create a profile for yourself and, market yourself. And there's a lot that you can be able to do there and make money. Selling online courses. If you're good at something, for example, if you're good at a niche of making money online, you can create a course and sell it online and make really good cash online. You can make a book about weight loss or weight gain, about parenting. Just give out tips at a fee. People are willing to buy these courses as long as they are good. You just make sure that you create good content so that you have people coming back for more. So this is another way that you can be able to make money online from home, from anywhere in the world. And there's a lot of information, even how to get started online with this. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is also an excellent way of making money online. You are dealing with physical products. So you are the one connecting the producers or the retailers to the end user. So you become the link. You become like the agent. And what you're doing is getting the product, is contacting the retailers and getting products at a certain amount. For example, like $2. Like get a seat, a plastic seat for a child, for example, at $2 through Alibaba. Then you go to a site like eBay, the one that I've had experience with. So you go to a site like eBay and register yourself as a dropshipper. Then eBay is a site that has millions and millions of people buying online. So they will come there and get attracted to the seed that you put in there, and you bought that seed at $2, but you're selling it at $5. So you're making a cool $3. That is simple. That is an easy way of making money online. So you buy cheap and sell more. So I'll also be doing a different video on dropshipping and how you can get started and scale up. So be sure to subscribe and keep it here so that you're able to get this information. Online tutor. You can become an online tutor and make money online. You can get paid per hour or per minute. There are different online platforms that are available. One of them is Cambly.com. is a site that teaches people to enhance their English speaking. You must be from a native English speaking country for you to get qualified. Or if you're good in speaking English, why not try? So you can Google Cambly.com and get enrolled. You'll go through a test, you'll do a video, submit to them, and then after a few days or a month, they will get back to you and let you know if you have qualified. It's a great site. It pays well. So try that. I'm also going to leave a list of some more sites that you can apply and become an online tutor. You can become a social media account manager or an influencer. If, for example, you have a lot of followers in Instagram, you can use that, or even in YouTube. You can use that and become an influencer. People will start looking for you They'll start, if you put up very nice photos in Instagram with makeup, you'll find people looking for you to do like to advertise their makeup for them, or even like to do fashion advertisement for them. And that's how you make money. So you can become an influencer and cash in. You can also become a social media account manager and manage people Facebook accounts, or rather social media accounts. Manage for them, manage the traffic, respond to customers, and just a bit of customer service there. So you just need to have some knowledge on this, and of course market yourself. It's easy. You can make money online from anywhere in the world with this. The last one, vlogging. Vlogging is my second best way to make money online, and I recommend you guys to start doing this. Become a YouTuber. Become this person who wants to pass knowledge. Become this person who wants to influence other people through something that you know and you can share, and that can change someone. Are you good at cooking? Are you good at baking? Are you good at drawing? There are people out there who are looking for ways, like for example, how to draw, how to bake, how to make money online, how to blog. Come on, you can do a video. Everyone has a passion. You just need to identify what is it that I'm good at, and what is it that I can, effortlessly just show someone out there how to do it, and do it well without even getting paid. Right? So it's very easy to just open a YouTube channel. I will show you how to open a YouTube channel. Just subscribe. I'll also be making another video on how to open a YouTube channel, and how to even start uploading videos. And guys, you can make money just making a 3 minutes, 5 minutes video. Slowly by slowly start building your subscribers, and with time connect your channel to AdSense and start getting paid for the adverts that will start running through your channel. You can also take advantage of the knowledge that you're passing out, and become an affiliate marketer and start cashing in, start getting those commissions. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate that you took your time to watch this video, and I promise to make more informative videos. So be sure, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and let's build this community. Feel free to comment. You can also mention or suggest other videos that you'd want me to take you through. I'll gladly do it. Thank you very much, and I hope this video will be of help to you, and you'll be able to make a choice of 1 or 2 things that you can be able to do to start earning online. Thank you.